So I took the truck out today to go film a video on kind of how it's driving, how it drives, and do a couple polls and all that. And I got about 3 minutes from my house and got a TPS code, which put it into limp mode, which is basically idle. That's what you get. So I pulled over and sat for a while and cleared the code out and was able to drive it back here at least. But so I've got it pulled apart to see if I can figure out what is going on with this code. So first thing I did was I verified that my throttle body is actually opening 100% and everything in between. So I pulled the intake off so I could see that. It is. I just wanted to verify that it wasn't my pedal or my tack module or any of the wiring in between. So that's good. I don't have my voltmeter here, so I'm going to check on voltages on the connector there for the TPS, since it's the one throwing the code. See if I can figure out what's going on there. I don't have one of those fancy scanners. All I have is a code reader, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way and just probe it and watch the voltages and see if they start fluctuating, because if they start fluctuating without any pedal input, it's your TPS sensor. So I may try swapping the throttle body out with a known good one. I'm going to talk to a buddy and see if he has one. See if we can't figure something out here. Better buy a new throttle body or a new TPS sensor. The TPS sensor / black housing there is about the same price. It's not a whole lot cheaper than buying the whole throttle body. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so if anybody has any ideas or pointers, please let me know. I'm just going to start digging into this thing and see if we can figure out what's going on. It runs fine. It seems like it's down on power. I gave it a couple rips, and it just doesn't seem like it has the grunt that it did, which I'm sure it's probably struggling there. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. I haven't forgot about you guys. It's just I've been trying to drive it, just getting out and going to local cruises and whatnot. But this is the first problem I've had, so I can't complain. So we're going to dig through this and see if we can figure out what's going on and sort it. That's the throttle body that came on the engine when I bought it. I didn't do anything other than clean it up, so it may be bad. I don't know. So we'll find out. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So we'll dig back into this and maybe do some filming on this and see if we can figure out what's going on.